Ensign is a fan, wood finish, sailing light, 20,000 hours, and it's 80% efficiency, as well as 24 watts. We're going to open it up, hang it up over here in that display area, and show you what it looks like well lit. You get everything here: instruction guide, a frosted plastic cover, your base that has 16 lights for 8, 12, 16, and the controls. You have the white and black leads with the ground. You're going to put through here your leads, and you're going to lock down with these keyholes. You can see the wood finish around the side is a half moon shape, black, and is a different type of light that you can hang over here as well. Lock it down in a number of areas. You get the hardware, you get the wire nuts and screws. Let's go mount this bad boy. You need AC, you run it. You slide it through the rubber hole, and you lock it down on your area. With the supplied wire nut and your load, you twist together and you lock down. Repeat for the neutral. If you have any type of leads to tie down, it is best to keep it as closest to the top as possible. You're then going to take your cover, you're going to flex it, and that's it. Snaps right in. And there you go. Beautiful light indeed. It lights up the area, gives a very comfortable look. It is a warm Kelvin, not a cold Kelvin. It's about 4,000 to 5,000 Kelvin. A nice close-up look at the light, as you can see. If you get a number of these and you put them in a hallway, they make a nice design. I hope this is the light that you're looking for. Place your design the way you want. Dress up a hallway, a bathroom, a kitchen, a living room, a small loft, wherever you need to put light. If we made a mistake, we simply can do our best to grab the two sides, pinch them, grab your fingers, and able to pull off and do your corrections just like that, by taking your power, making sure it's off, and disconnecting. This is a nice light that will last a very long time. I hope you enjoy this product, if this is what you're looking for to dress your place up. Thank you very much for viewing.